Hey there, welcome to this new devlog. I'm just gonna stop calling it a devlog. You'll see why later on in this video. Anyways, I've got a couple things I want to cover for now. So let's get right into it. Now, first of all, I have implemented JSON file loading, which basically just means I get to load in data from JSON files, which is really useful actually, and it's kind of fun too. It wasn't fun at all actually. I think it's fun in theory, just figuring out how you want to sort JSON files, but in reality, when you actually get into it, it's just kind of a bit of a drag in it. You're supposed to have another I swear you're supposed to have another piece of software just to actually make your data for you, because it is not fun actually writing the JSON files. As you can see here, this is the current layout for it. We got some JSON files here, which link into some JSON file loader that I made. I don't know if this is actually good practice or not. It just works. If it works, it works basically. This just loads in the file with the string, and this actually puts it into a data format, which is a bit loosey-goosey here and there, but as far as I'm concerned, if the name matches in a struct or something like that, it will just match it there. And then we put it into the world. For example, the actors here, their positions are all based upon which one was it again? I think objects.json. Yeah, objects.json, whatever's in that file there. Alright then, so the next part is actually actors talking. Essentially, you can now finally see them go up to a box and talk to the box, which, I mean, doesn't make sense, but it is a proof of concept and it works, okay? And it is actually pretty cool. We can roll the clip right now. Okay, so we have now gotten, well, first of all, this is different. Yeah, this is just some stats system here. But now, as you can see, I'm just gonna go browse the world, and I'm just gonna keep the world going, and then we're gonna see some cool stuff happen real quick, right? Hopefully soon enough. Guys, oh, there we go. Here you can see the actual actor is now speaking to the box here, which I think that's pretty neat. Don't you guys agree? And that keeps going until they finish their own turn. See, he's just finished talking to him. He's still talking to him. These speech bubbles are designed by yours truly as well. I think they do the job quite nicely. And then, after he's done that, he's just going to walk around. Oh, he's just talked to that guy again. Oh, you've got another guy talking down there again. See, this is actually quite a cool system. On terms for the actual player dialogue, well, when you're talking to the boxes, I still don't know what the boxes able to talk to. Anyways, I use something called Ink, right? Ink is just a scripting language which outputs some data in JSON, and then you have an actual Ink runtime engine, just that actually loads in the JSON file and can provide a bunch of data points and that. Yeah, I can use this to actually show choices as well as the actual text dialogue, and I believe you can also attach variables and that during the runtime of it. Not too sure, I haven't gone too far into it, but it is a really useful piece of technology that I've got. Okay, so I have redone the dialogue system and how it works. So now, when I go to interact with this guy, we're going to see something different here, okay? Here we are. Now, if you guys have ever used Ink before, then you should know this is the most generic template you can get, the first one. But we can now actually select choices, and the choices will appear. And then after that, it closes after you finish up the entire dialogue tree. And yeah, that's actually pretty neat. Just get this new scripting. Hold on a second, is that a bug? Alright, well, I just found a bug, but it's not too bad because I could just talk to this guy instead. But yeah, no, I think it's pretty neat. Now I could just plug this into any of these actors that I want to, and speak to them. Now, on to the reasoning why I wouldn't call this a devlog anymore. because I don't know what the hell this game is about. Right? Because honestly, I've just been like rattling through different mechanics and that I thought would be cool, but in the grand scheme of things, I am not exactly implementing anything. Implementing anything toward going towards a greater goal, right? There's no goal towards this game. There's no actual game genre behind this game. Yeah, I guess it's just like gonna be some sort of simulation or something like that. Honestly, I consider it a tech demo at the moment, and I need an actual goal. So that'll be the topic of the next video, I guess. Thank you for making this far into the video. If you enjoyed that, then please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to me, because that would help me out quite a lot. And you also get to see future content by me. You can also check out some of my other videos as well. And anyways, until the next one, see ya.